Hello! This tutorial will show you how to log into Libby app on your mobile device using your TCC student ID. To start, navigate to the App Store if you're using an Apple device, or to Google Play if you're on an Android. Search for the Libby app, L-I-B-B-Y. You want to download Libby by Overdrive. Once the app is downloaded, open it. It will ask you if you have a library card. Tap Yes. Then tap Search for a Library and search for Tulsa Community College. Tap Sign in with my card. Then tap Next. You will be redirected to the My TCC login page. Log in with your TIN number and password. Now that you're signed in, you can see your library card and borrow ebooks. To do so, tap the cover of an ebook that you would like to borrow. Tap Borrow. Then tap Borrow again to download the book. Once the book is downloaded, you can read the book by tapping Open Book. The book will stay downloaded to your device for 14 days. If you have any questions, you can find more information at askus.library.tulsacc.edu, or you can text the library at 918-917-5085, or you can call any of the campuses for more information. Thank you for watching.